The pendulum motion device has been altered to a pendulum style similar to the pendulum that used for the ambient earth energy video. The ambient earth energy video used ambient earth heat and antennas to provide electric power. In this one, the pendulum is wrapped in a similar style to that pendulum, using two coils which combine into the pendulum string at the top. In this design, a more efficient use of power and a lower energy creates the same amount of deflection in the pendulum as the previous designs with the Singer magnet. The deflection is much larger and with much smaller amounts of energy. The conversion device here is taking vibrations which hit the galfenol metal in the central magnet, the base magnet which drives the pendulum magnet. The galfenol inside takes the vibrations, converts them to mechanical energy and electrical power, energizing the coil which makes the pendulum move.